Whenever I hear the national anthem, my heart swells with pride. I am proud of my country and my culture. You see, India is a farrago of contrasts. It is the coming together of many diverse groups which lends strength to the country. Though nationalism is an abstract concept, it is a palpable emotion which is felt by us whenever we see a parade or hear of a soldier's valor or victory. I once read the epitaph at the war cemetery in Kohima, which said, "When you go home, tell them of us and say, for your tomorrow, we gave our today." And I felt that most of us take our freedom for granted. We think of Republic and Independence Day as just mere holidays to take a break home from school. For us now today, independence is a way of life, just because we hadn't had to fight for it. But the generation that went through the freedom struggle had to be very cautious of the values and ideals of their then leaders. The subsequent generation slowly forgot about them. But what can we as a younger generation do to have a sense of pride and identity in our nation? A few simple steps that can help us are: take pride in our national anthem and our national flag. Honor soldiers, thank them when we greet them. Cheer them to keep their spirits high, or send them care packages when they are away on duty. Take pride in people and places that are significant to our country's history. Know our basic freedom and also about our core democratic values. And most importantly, take our responsibilities as citizens seriously. For patriotism is just not about saluting the flag, but it is also demonstrated in the way we live. It's easy to be cynical and bitter and to understand that our country and its system has its faults. But we do live in the greatest country, not because of its greatness, but because of its freedom. Let us sprint and not stop. Defend our country with all our resources, improve it with all our strength, and love it with all its faults. Let us sprint and not stop to make our country the best country to live in. Thank you.